Hello everyone, this is Munam from WP Swings and welcome all of you to our channel of WP Swings, where we discuss WordPress and WooCommerce solutions that can help you grow your online business, which will ultimately assist you to provide a top-notch user experience and customer satisfaction. Hence, stay tuned with our channel to keep getting back-to-back product tutorials and interesting updates. Today's demo video is on PDF Generator for WordPress plugins free version. You can check and download the plugin from the video's description, or for any doubts you can put your queries in the comment section and we will be glad to help you. Before proceeding with the plugin setup part, let's understand what is PDF Generator for WordPress plugin and what does it do. PDF Generator for WordPress is a free plugin that will assist you to convert your posts, products and pages into PDF in just one click, thereby providing the facility for the customers to download the pages, products and posts in the PDF form which they can view offline. Moreover, the plugin provides various customizations related to the PDF header, footer, text color and body, along with the feature of adding watermark text as per your brand requirements. We are on the WordPress dashboard, so before moving to the setup part, let me show you how you can easily install the plugin. So for installing the plugin, you have to hover on plugins and click on add new. So here you can simply click on upload plugin, or here you can search for PDF generator. So here as you can see that PDF generator for WordPress, so here simply you can click on install now, or the second option is you can directly visit the wordpress.org page and here you can search for PDF generator for WordPress and you can click on download to download the plugin. So once you have downloaded the plugin, so here you can upload the zip file from here. So let us click on this and here let me click on choose file. So as you can see that the zip file has been uploaded and here now you have to click on install now. The plugin has been installed. Now you have to click on activate plugin. So the plugin has been successfully activated and here as you can see that this is the plugin PDF Generator for WordPress. So for going to the backend settings, simply you have to click on settings, or you can hover on this WP Swings and click on PDF Generator for WordPress. We are on the backend settings of PDF Generator for WordPress. So before starting with the setup part, if you really like watching the plugin tutorial videos and various plugin updates, make sure to hit the subscribe button and press the bell notification icon in order to get the latest plugin updates and demonstration of the plugin working. So let's start with the setup part. So as you can see that in this PDF Generator for WordPress backend settings, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 tabs that are general settings, PDF settings, advanced settings, meta field settings, PDF upload, overview. So firstly, let us start with the general settings. In the general settings, the admin will find the settings related to enabling the plugin, tags, categories to display for the PDF file and much more. So here the very first field is enable the plugin. So from here the admin can start the functionality of PDF generator. So from here let's click on enable the plugin and here let me click on save settings. So here when I will click on this, as you can see that no PDF icon is coming, but as soon as I will refresh this, so as you can see that the PDF icon has come. So this is because from the backend the functionality has been enabled. So now let's move to the next field, that is include categories and include tags. So with this PDF plugin, the admin can also include information of categories and tag on PDF for the post. So the admin can enable this by clicking on this tick box, like if I click on this include categories and include tags. So let me click on save settings. So basically the categories and tags will be shown on PDF for the post. So let me click on post and let me click on new tab. So here as you can see that this is the test post. So let us click on view. So here as you can see that this is the PDF icon. So let me click on download. So let me open this. So as you can see that here is the category and tags that this is coming here. So this is because from the backend this functionality of include categories and tag has been enabled. So make sure while you are creating the post like this. So make sure you have mentioned the categories and tag, then categories and tags will be shown. Otherwise, if you have not mentioned the categories and tags while creating the post, like let me show you how, and let us click on post. When I will click on edit and when I will scroll down, so as you can see that here I have added the category and tag like this. Categories I have chosen shirt, trouser or uncategorized. So this is how you can choose the category, and you can also add new category by clicking on this, and here you can add the tags like this. So here I have added like clothing and poster. So this is how on this PDF it is coming, clothing and poster, shirt, trouser and uncategorized as a category. So this is how you can select the categories and tags in this particular post. So make sure while creating a post you have mentioned the categories and tags, then you have enabled this functionality to show the categories and tags to the customers whenever they will download the PDF, so they will get to know about the categories and tags. So now let us move to the next field, that is include taxonomy. Next field is include taxonomy. So basically taxonomy includes category and tags for the post. So if the admin wants to enable the functionality to include the taxonomy, so simply he can include taxonomy by clicking on this tick box, and the taxonomy will be included and will be shown on the PDF whenever the customer will download the PDF. So now let's move to the next field, that is display post date and display author name. So if the admin wants to show the information related to the post date and the author name, simply he needs to click on this tick box, that is display post date and display author name. So the author name and the post date will be displayed on the PDF. So this is a great functionality by which the admin can easily show the author name and the post date to the customer via PDF. So after doing all the changes, you have to click on save settings. Now let's move to the next field, that is PDF download option. So this plugin provides you with various options to facilitate your customers to download the PDF, either download locally or opening the window. Like suppose if the option is selected as download locally, so like if I go here and if I will click on this, so as you can see that it is downloading locally. But if I will select like on open window, and when I will click on save settings, and now let me click on PDF, so it is directly opening on the window. So this is how the admin can select either the two options, that is download locally or open window. Now let's move to the next field, that is default file name. So the admin can give a custom name to the generating PDF, or he can also select the other two options as the post name or document product ID. Like here I have selected like post name, so whatever the post name is, so on that particular name the PDF will be downloaded. Like if I select like document product ID, so the default file name will be based on document product ID. If I want to give the custom name, here I have selected custom, and here let me write like WP Swings PDF, and let me click on save settings. And now when I will download the PDF, here as you can see that, so it will be downloaded as with this name. Like let me select like download locally, and now let me click on save settings. So I have clicked on save settings. Now let us go to the shop page, and now let us select any of the product, and let us click on PDF icon. So as you can see that the PDF has been downloaded in the form of WP Swings PDF. So whatever the name that the admin will be deciding, so that in that name the PDF will be downloaded. As you can see that WP Swings PDF, as you can see here. So now let's again go back. So here the admin can decide the default file name like custom, post name or document product ID. So now let us click on save settings. So this was all about the functionalities that were included in the general settings. Now let us move to the next tab, that is PDF settings. We are on the PDF settings, and with the PDF settings included in the PDF Generator plugin, the admin can find the settings related to the customizing icon display, header, body and footer of the PDF. So let's start with the sub tab of icon display. So here as you can see that the two fields are logged in users and guest users. So basically the admin can decide the icon display or the PDF icon display to the logged in user or guest users. So if he wants to show the PDF icon to the logged in user, so simply he can enable it from here. So the PDF icon will be visible to the logged in users, and the guest users will not be able to see the PDF icon to download the PDF. And from here, if the admin wants to show the PDF icon to the guest users also, so from here the admin can enable this toggle button to show the PDF icon to the guest users also. So from here the admin can select or enable this functionality as per his business requirements. Next is direct download or email the user, or direct download or email guest. So from here the admin can decide like whether he wants to give the option to directly download the PDF or email the user. So from here the admin can select like email or direct download. So if I select like email, and let me click on save settings, and here let me refresh this, and here when I will click on this icon, PDF icon, so as you can see that it's asking for the email. So when I will enter the email, so the PDF will be directly mailed to my email address. So this is how the admin can select the two options like direct download or email. So if I select like direct download, and let me click on save settings, and here let me refresh this, and when I will download this, so as you can see that the PDF is being downloaded. So this is how the admin can choose either of the two options. So let me close this, and let us go back. So same goes for guest user also. So the admin can decide as per his business requirements, like if he wants to give the option to directly download to the customer, or if he wants to email the PDF to the user, so simply he can select the option for the email. Next field is show PDF icon. So here the admin can decide like on where to show the PDF icon, like before content, after content, before add to cart form, after add to cart form, after single product summary. Like if I select like after content, and here the admin can select the PDF icon alignment like right, left or center. So if I select like center, let me click on save settings, and here let me refresh this. So as you can see that it is coming after content, and the PDF icon is coming on the center. So this is how the admin will get the feature or the facility to easily customize the PDF icon alignment and to show PDF icon like on the different selected space, like after content, before content. So the admin can select as per his store requirements. So this is how the admin can easily customize the position of the PDF icon, and he can also decide where to show the PDF icon on different space. So let me again click on right, and let me click on save settings. So now let us move to the next field, that is choose single download PDF icon. With this field, the admin can also decide which icon he wants to show on the shop page for the PDF. So this will greatly help to customize the PDF icon as per his brand requirements, and if none is selected, so the default PDF icon will be displayed. So simply the admin can click on upload icon, and here the admin can click on the icon and click on use image. So as you can see that this is how the admin can select the different PDF icon. So here if the admin wants to remove the icon, so simply he can click on this, so the icon will be removed. And moreover, the plugin also provides the customizations related to the icon size. So here the admin can enter the width and the height in pixels to configure the icon size. So after doing all the changes, the admin can click on save settings. Next, as you can see that this is the disclaimer or the information, like here the admin can use this shortcode anywhere on the page to display the PDF generating icon. So let's copy this and let's add a new page. So now after creating a new page, simply the admin has to click on this plus icon, and here he has to select shortcode and simply he has to paste this shortcode. Now let us click on publish. So now let us click on publish and let us click on view page. So as you can see that the default PDF icon is coming here. So this is how the admin can use this short code to display the PDF icon anywhere on the page or the post. So this was all about the icon display settings. Now let's move to the next sub tab, that is header. So we are on the header settings. So the PDF plugin also provides the customization by which the admin can do the customizations related to the header of the PDF to make it more appealing and customized as per his brand, color and requirements. Like here, if the admin wants to include the header, so simply he can click on this tick box, so the header will be included on the PDF. And here the admin can choose his logo as per his brand. So like I have selected this like this, so the logo will be appearing on the header section like this. So this logo will be appearing on the header section. Next, as you can see that I have decided the company name as WP Swings. So the company name will be displayed as WP Swings on the header. Same goes for tagline or address. So simply here the admin can enter the address or the tagline which he wants to show on the header section of the PDF. And the admin will also get the customizations related to selecting the color. Like if I select like this color, like this, I have selected this color, and the admin can also decide the header width. Like I have decided 8, and here the admin will can also select the font style. Like for now Helvetica is selected. If I select like sans serif, so the admin can also choose the various font style given in this box, and here the admin can decide the font size. Like if I select like 12, so the font size will be 12. Next, header top placement. So here as you can see that the disclaimer is written as greater the value in the header top, more will be the header length down from the top. So accepted values are positive and negative. If some issue is existing, so with the header placement, so the header value can be changed to fix that particular error. So after doing all the changes, let me click on save settings. So here as you can see that this is the PDF icon. So now let me click on this and let me open this PDF. So as you can see that the logo is coming here, and as you can see that the color of the text that we have decided on the header section, so it is coming here, and the company name and the address, whatever the admin will decide, will come here. So if I change like if I change it to 20 and let me click on save setting. So if I have removed this logo, and now let me download this PDF icon. So as you can see that the font size that I have selected like this, it has been increased, and the logo has been removed because from the backend we have removed this. So let's again upload the image and use this image, and here let me change the font size to 10 and let me click on save settings and let me cut this, and now let me download again. So as you can see that again the text again the logo is coming, and the size that we have decided is coming here. So this is how the admin will get the customizations related to the header, by which he can easily customize the header section of the PDF. So this was all about the header settings. Now let's move to the body settings. So we are on the body tab. So the admin with the sub tab of body, the admin will find the settings related to the title font size, title color, page size. So with this plugin, the admin can get the complete customizable PDF option that is easy to customize as per his choice. Like here the admin can easily customize the body settings. Like here the admin can decide the title font style like Helvetica, Courier, sans serif, Times Roman. So if I select like Times Roman, and here if I select like title font size as 25, and here if I select the choose title color as like this, and here the admin will get also the customizations related to the selecting the page size. So here we have given multiple options that the admin can select as per his requirements. So on that format the PDF will be generated. Next is page orientation. So if the admin wants to change the orientation to landscape, so the PDF will be downloaded in the landscape. So the admin can either select portrait mode or select the landscape option. On that particular option, the PDF will be generated. Next is content font style. So the admin can also customize the content font style. So Helvetica is selected, so let me select as symbol, and here let me select the content size as 15, and here the body text color I am selecting like green. And here if you want to give the like border, so here you can decide like border size in pixels, and here you can select the color. So on that particular PDF, a border will be displayed like whatever the pixels, whatever the size that you have decided, and the color, so that border will be displayed around the PDF. So here as you can see that PDF border position and page margin are by default automatically set. So this also you can alter and change as per your requirements. So like if I have selected like this, so let me click on save settings, and here let me download the PDF. So as you can see that the content is coming here. So the content, as you can see that it is coming here, it is in the color of green, and here as you can see that the title is coming in the color yellow. So this is because from the back end we have done various customizations related to the title color, title font size, and the title font style. So here as you can see that the font style is a font style that we have selected Times Roman, and the second font style for the content we have selected symbol, so it's coming there. So if you want to change it to Courier, and if you want to change it change to Helvetica, and here if you want to select like change the title color, so simply you can do it easily. So this is how you can easily customize the body of the PDF. So after doing all the things, you have to click on save settings. So now let's scroll down, and here as you can see that the option is RTL support. So the plugin also comes with the RTL support, that means right to left. Basically few languages in the world use RTL directly, but these languages cover over 1 billion of people, and having a RTL support can increase your customer interactions. So if I enable this, so RTL support will be enabled, and with this RTL support it will support right to left text alignment. So from here the admin can enable the RTL support. So here this option is add watermark text. So basically with the watermark text, the admin can write or enter his brand name. Adding a watermark has number of benefits like brand recognition, copyright protection, theft protection, content protection. So it lets the user to know about the original owner or the creator. So from here the admin can click on this tick box to add the watermark text, and here the admin can decide the watermark text as per his requirements. Next field is choose watermark text color. So from here the admin can also decide the watermark text color, like if I decide like red, so the watermark text will be displayed in the red color. So let me click on save settings, and here let me go to the shop page and download the PDF icon, and let me view this. So as you can see that the watermark text is in red color. So this is coming because we have decided the red color, and the text is also coming as WP swings, because from the back end we have decided the watermark text as WP swings. So if the admin wants to remove the watermark text, so simply he can untick this tick box and click on save settings, and here as you can see that the watermark text has been removed. So this is how the admin can easily show or hide the watermark text. So let me close this. So this was all about the RTL support and how the admin can easily enable the watermark text. So the next field is page template and post template. So by default you will be only getting this one template for the page template and for the one template for the post template. Next field is custom CSS. So here the admin can give custom CSS for any HTML element. So after adding custom CSS, so this will be applied to the content, whatever the elements that are in the content, so that will be applied via custom CSS. Like here as you can see that this custom CSS is written. So this is how the admin can add the custom CSS. Next is show meta fields row wise. So this functionality I will be explaining you after some time, when I will explain you about the meta fields. And here select number of columns. So this both functionalities I will be explaining you after I have explained about the meta fields in this tab, meta field settings. So this was all about the body settings. Now let's move to the next tab, that is footer. So we are on the footer settings. So here the admin will find the settings related to the customizing the footer section of the PDF. So here if the admin wants to include the footer, so simply he can click on this tick box and the footer will be included on the PDF. And if the admin wants to add a tagline in the footer, so simply he can enter it here. Like, so I have written the tagline as fuel WordPress growth, not complexities. So this tagline I have decided, and let me click on the footer text color. So let me click on yellow, and here the admin can also decide the width in the footer, and here the admin can also decide the font style. So I am selecting courier, and here the admin can also decide the font size that will be displayed in the footer. So the admin will get all the customizations related to customizing the footer section of the PDF, be it be font size, font style, or choosing the width. So he can do all the customizations from here. And here the admin can also decide the footer bottom placement. Already the bottom placement by default it is selected, or it is the value is entered. So if the admin wants to alter this, so he can alter or change the footer bottom placement from here. And if the admin wants to add the author, post name and date in the footer, so from here the admin can enter it here, and the author, post name and date will be added in the footer section. So after doing all the changes, you just have to click on save settings, and let us go to the shop page and download the PDF. So now let us view the PDF, and let us go to the footer section. So as you can see that the color that we have decided, it is coming in the yellow color, and the tagline that we have decided is coming here. And to display the author name and the post, so it is coming here, the like author, the author is admin, and the date and the post Happy Ninja, so it is coming here. So this is how the admin can easily customize the footer section of the PDF by simply going to footer section and customizing the color and choosing the width, font style, font size and footer bottom placement. And the admin, if wants to add the extra information related to the author, post name and date in the footer section, so from here the admin can simply enter, and the particular information will be displayed in the footer section. So this was all about how you can easily customize the PDF, be it be the body section of the PDF, footer section of the PDF, header, icon display. So all customizations are given in this plugin, so you can easily customize as per your requirements, and you can design your PDF as per your brand color and requirements. So this was all about the PDF settings. Now let us move to the next tab, that is advanced settings. We are on the advanced settings tab. So with this advanced settings, the admin can show the PDF icon for the post, page and product. So here the admin can enter like different post or page or product. So on that particular post type, the PDF icon will be visible. So like if I cut this product, and let me click on save settings, and now let me go to the shop page and let me refresh this. So as you can see that the PDF icon has disappeared. This is because from the advanced settings we have disabled to show the icon for this particular post type of the product. So if I will click on this, and now let me click on save settings, and here let me refresh this. So as you can see that now PDF icon is coming here. So this is how from the advanced settings you can restrict to show the PDF icon for particular post type. So if you want to reset the settings, so from here you can click on the reset settings. So the all the settings will be set to default. So after doing all the changes, you have to click on save settings. So this was all about the advanced settings tab. Now let us move to the meta field settings. We are on the meta field settings. So basically meta fields are a set of extra information that you can add in the PDF. Meta fields can be like the total sales, manage stock status. So these are some of the extra information regarding a product that the admin can show with the help of meta fields in the PDF. Like if you want to show the meta fields for the post, so you can enable it from here and you can enter the meta fields that you want to show in the PDF. Same goes for the meta fields for the page and meta fields for the product. So from here you can enable this functionality and you can enter like meta fields in page like this. If you want to enter the or show the meta fields for the product, so simply you have to click on this tick box and you have to select the meta fields that are available. So like I am selecting like product image gallery, regular price. So based on that you can select like this tax status, total sales, tax class, back order, sold individually. So this is how you can add numerous meta fields in the product section. So here you can enter it. So once you have done, you have to click on save settings. And one thing more, like I have added to show the meta fields for the product image gallery. So for that you have to add the product images to that particular product, then it will show the product image gallery in the PDF. So let's go to the product section. So we are on the product section and here as you can see that I have created this test product. So let me click on this. So let me scroll down. So as you can see that in this product gallery I have added these two sample images. So from here you can click on add product gallery images and you can upload the product gallery images that you want to show in the PDF. So once you have done, you have to click on update. So this is how you can add product gallery images to show in the PDF. So let's again go back and let me click on save settings and let us go to the shop page. So here let me click on this and here let me download the PDF. So here as you can see that the product image gallery is coming here. So this is coming here because from the backend we have added the product gallery, product image gallery, and if the regular price would be there, so it would be shown in this PDF. So this is how because the regular price was not set for this product, so that's why meta fields are not coming for the regular price, and product image gallery we have set, so it is coming here in this PDF. So this is how you can show the product gallery, product image gallery, or various other meta fields of the product in the PDF. Let me explain you one more functionality. So for that let me add more meta fields in this product section. So let me select. So this meta fields I have selected. So let me click on save settings and now let me go to the PDF settings and now let me click on body. So here as you can see that these two fields are show meta fields row wise and select number of columns. So basically show meta fields row wise means if you want to show meta fields in a row wise manner, so you can click on this tick box. So the meta fields will be shown in the PDF row wise, and here you can decide the number of columns that are needed in that particular row for the meta fields. Like if you have selected 2 columns, so 2 columns will be there in a row for the meta fields. So let me click on save settings and let us go to the shop page and download this PDF. So here as you can see that we have selected 2 columns needed in a row, so that's why the third meta field is coming below here, because we have selected 2 columns per row. Like if I select like 3 here and let me click on save settings, and here let me again download this PDF and let me view the PDF. So here as you can see that all these meta fields are coming in a single row and 3 columns are there because from the backend we have selected 3 columns. And if this functionality is disabled, and let me click on save settings, and now let me download this PDF. So now as you can see that the meta fields are not coming in a row wise manner. So this is how you can enable or disable this functionality as per your requirements. So if you want to show the meta fields row wise and systematically, so here this option is given so that you can arrange your meta fields row wise, and you can select the number of columns that are needed in a row to show the meta fields in the PDF. So let's again go back to the meta fields. So here let me again select that product image gallery and let me click on save settings. So this was all about the meta field settings. Now let's move to the next tab, that is PDF upload. We are on the PDF upload tab. So from here the admin can upload the posters and can also give access to users as well as the guest users so that they can download those posters. So basically from here the admin can choose the custom poster from here by clicking on upload doc. So let's click on upload doc and let's click on select files and let me click on open. So as you can see that I have uploaded it, and now let me click on use doc. So as you can see that once I have uploaded the doc, I am getting the shortcode for that I can copy it and paste it anywhere on the post or page. So let me click on pages and let me click on all pages, and here let me select any of the page like this, and here you need to click on this plus icon, and you have to click on shortcode, and now you have to paste it and you have to click on update. Now let me click on preview in new tab. So this is the sample page, and here as you can see that this is the poster icon that you will be getting, or the guest users will be getting to download the poster. So when I will click on this, so the poster will be downloaded. So as you can see that the poster has been downloaded. So this is how you can give the option to download the posters to users and the guest users. This was all about how the admin can easily upload his custom posters and use the shortcode to give the option to the users and the guest users so that they can download those posters easily. So now let's move to one more functionality. So let's click on post. So we are on the post tab. So let me show you one more feature. So let me click on this. So I have selected all the posts, and let me click on bulk action and let me select export, and let me click on apply. So as you can see that all the posts, the bulk PDF has been downloaded. So basically by this feature, the admin will get the functionality to download all the PDF for the post pages in bulk at once. So simply he has to click on the post or the pages which he wants to download in bulk. Then he has to click on this export, select this export option, and then the admin has to click on apply. So as you can see that the PDF has been downloaded. So let me click on view. So as you can see that all the PDF for the post has been downloaded in bulk all at once. So this is how the admin can use this functionality to download the PDF for the post pages at once. So let's again go back. So we will be soon coming up with the pro features of the PDF generator for WordPress plugin. So stay tuned with our channel. This was all about the demo part. Now let us see what are the advantages of the plugin. So with the PDF plugin, the admin can convert all pages, posts and products into PDF without any hassle. Moreover, the admin will get the feature of adding the custom PDF download icon. The admin will also get the predefined header and body and footer settings, which he can later customize as per his business requirements. The merchant can also add a shortcode to add a PDF icon on any page of your website. The admin will get the full control to display the PDF icon for the logged in users as well as the guest users. This was all about the PDF generator for WordPress plugin demo video, and if you face any queries regarding the plugin functionalities, so you can mention your queries in the comment section, and the links to the product have been mentioned in the video description content, so you can check and get all the details. For any doubt, contact us anytime and we will be glad to help you. And if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe to our channel, like the video and press the bell notification icon to get all the latest update related to our channel. Until the next video, stay connected with us. Thank you.